Mix it very well. You as well go ahead and mix your own very well. Follow the instruction. Wash it, okay, because of COVID-19, so you have to wash your ice bag. So I'm going to be keeping all this inside. Chop inside the milk, and it's gonna be yummy. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping. Today's video I will share with you how you can make your nut macadamia cookie. Okay, it's a very straightforward cookie and it's going to be yummy. You're gonna like it. So the first ingredients, as you can see, I've already diced my butter, and we need macadamia as well, and we need white cooking chocolates. So I'm still going to dice this. All right, you can see I've already want the hair, I've already want this, so I'm going to be showing you how you can do it. So first of all, I love baking my nuts. It's going to give me this, it's going to give you lovely flavor when you bake it for just around 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to like your cookie. Always try to bake your nuts maybe 5 to 10 minutes in the oven. All right, it's going to give you a lovely fluffy taste. You're going to like the taste, okay? The smell, oh my god. So I'm going to go ahead and bake this for 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so I'm going to be needing half 1 cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar, and half cup of white sugar, castor sugar. So we're going to mix them together. So guys, I've already washed my hands and I love using my hands. So this is the texture we need. So you can use your spatula or your wooden spoon or your hand. So to make it quicker, I love using my hand. So we need 1 large of eggs. So we're going to break it, break. Be careful, watch out for the child. And I'm going to use my hands. So guys, the next step, we have to add our white chocolate, like 100 grams of chocolate. It depends how much you want. So this is roughly 100 grams of white chocolate. So guys, this is the macadamia. After 5 minutes, I just left it there for 5 minutes, and the smell in nuts, it smells nice and it's very lovely and it's dry. And the next step, now you can go ahead and use a food processor, but I would like to just use my knife, so you can just do whatever you want. And I'm going to just dice it with the knife. So mix them together. So you can add salt, which I'm going to do. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, So the next step now, guys, we're going to be do the dry ingredients. 1 cup of plain flour. We're going to sieve it through. And guys, don't forget baking powder. So 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And you can exclude the vanilla, you can exclude the vanilla, but I'm going to just 1 teaspoon of vanilla before I forgot. So we do the dry, so you sieve it because of the lump. And guys, I always like corn flour. 1 teaspoon of corn flour. So try to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. It's going to make your cookies very soft and crunch by the edge outside and fluffy and soft inside. Try this technique, you will like it. 1 teaspoon of corn flour, very important. So, and you're gonna mix them together. You need the right consistency of dough. So guys, I'm going to leave all the description of the recipe. I'm going to leave the recipe on the comments. I'm going to leave all the I will leave the recipe on the comment section. So you mix it thoroughly, and your dough is ready. So guys, at this point I'm going to use my hands. So you can go ahead and do the same. 1 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and you can exclude the vanilla or you can include. So I include the vanilla. I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So it's mixed very well. So this is the consistency I really want. So guys, this is the consistency we want. As you can see, I've mixed it very well. You as well go ahead and mix your own very well. Follow the instruction, and I will leave all the recipe on the comment section. So the next step, we are going to store it in the fridge for roughly 30 minutes. You can leave it in your fridge for 1 hour, so it depends. Okay, it doesn't really matter, but you really have to leave it at least 30 to 40 minutes in the fridge. So I'm going to actually leave it for just roughly 30 minutes, and we're going to baking it to 160 degrees, and my oven is I've already on my oven. So I'll go ahead now. I'll store it for 30 minutes in the fridge, then I'll be right back. So guys, here is after 30 minutes. The dough is ready. So the next step, guys, you can use your ice cream spoon or your soap spoon, tablespoon. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be doing this, and we're going to be turning it together. So we're going to bake it for 20 minutes, and when you are making a dough, guys, you have to really actually leave a room for your dough to spread. Okay, and that is the tablespoon, and this is my coffee spoon. I love using the ice cream cube, so don't have to worry. Oh, I swear, you can put it in your hand and make it dough. You have to leave room. So guys, I always like to leave room. So guys, I'll go ahead and put this in the oven for 20 minutes in 160 degrees. So you can see the gap I left. Leave a lot of gap, guys. So you leave gap in between. So guys, as you can see, this is all the dough, so I'm not going to be able to bake all of them. I'm going to put the rest in the freezer for some other days. So I'm going to be using my freezer plastic bag and you open it. I've already washed it, okay, because of COVID-19, so you have to wash your ice bag. So I'm going to be keeping all this inside for some other day, so that you can store it, so you continue to so I'm going to put this in the freezer. So I'm going to go ahead, guys. I'm going to bake all of them. So guys, we're gonna shake this together. You can see the edge is very crunchy and the middle is going to be soft and yummy, guys. Look at that, guys, so soft and lovely. And I want to know what you guys should think, and you just chop inside the milk and it's gonna be yummy. Lovely, with the seed inside, the macadamia, the aromas and the taste. We have to open the second one together, guys. Look at this, guys, it's so beautiful. Please go ahead, make your own and let me know what you think, guys.